Oh my god, I don't know how I.
No! What? Fuck!
I'm gonna remember this when they need interviews for the cup. This guy's on me. Hey!
Bro, this is my butthole plug-in.
Yo, can your computer run Crisis?
I don't know, bro. Can your computer run Crisis? Stuck at my ping, so you would finally feel how I feel and stop.
Dude, it's not that bad. Like,
Bro,
you play
there's such a
at 10 to
difference.
20 ping.
It's such a difference playing on your ping versus mine, bro. Even the one game I played felt different. I don't even know your fucking controller. Fuck that. Bro, I've watched my wall place and then yours place because of the ping. Not having. I don't care. That's why I don't want to be wondering. I'm not gonna keep wondering if I'm gonna keep losing to ping. Fuck that.
It's not big, bro. If you really think if you were on my connection, I was on your connection, our 1v1 would be
I'm
different.
holding my mouse button down, the turbo will on, and
I'm
you're
just
facing the wall. There's no.
It happens to me all the time too, bro. I just don't complain about it. I just move on and I build up more and I try to get a different angle.
No.
It happens a lot.
But I use my scroll wheel to pick
I
weapons.
love when I think I have my shotgun out.
I use up and down on my scroll wheel to pick weapons.
What about up and down?
Yeah, up is for one level and down is for
Move
another.
one.
Hell no, bro.
Fuck, that wasn't fine.
What the fuck?
170.
I couldn't even see you. Materials.
Yeah. 26.
Dude, just editing on it, it's just like, it feels so natural.
Are you kidding me?
Hey! No way, you just got it.
Yo.
You just shoot faster. You just freaking shoot faster.
That, yeah.
Everybody do jumping jacks, boys. Come on.
I think I have that.
That scroll wheel, I'm just saying, I wish, bro, like, give me something.
It's
Just
not
look in the
nothing
general.
crazy, bro. I'd rather
It
have
really isn't. I would love to be able to look in the general all and just fucking close it, though.
I'd love
Right?
to be able to walk sideways and build. Oh wait.
Yeah, I agree. Oh, yeah, you can. That's great.
Oh wait.
Guys still
Can't use
complaining.
that one.
Yeah, you can. You just need double movement binds.
He has
No.
an Azeron. That's what he's saying. He's being a cocksucker. He literally is on a joystick for movement.
Oh yeah, he has a yeah. What the
he's
fuck?
on, that's what I'm saying. He's
You
a
fucker.
cocksucker.
What's going on, guys? Real quick, I just wanted to say I hope you enjoyed the video. It took me months to make it. It took me months to learn Azeron and really get comfortable with it. But it's out. You know, I'm cracked as fuck. You already know I got a TV now. I haven't had a TV for dumb long. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy the video. The whole journey has been amazing. So please leave a like. Bye. Say bye, Max.